Hello, today you will learn about
Hello, dear student. This is Claire, your online French teacher. I hope you are all well. Welcome to this new chapter, the near future. What is the near future, when to use it, and how to conjugate it in French? We are going to answer all these questions. So if you're ready, let's jump in. So what is the near future in French? The near future is called
Le futur proche.
also known as
Le futur composé.
is a French verb tense used to show events that are going to happen soon. It corresponds to the English structure, going to, plus infinitive of the verb, and emphasizes that there is already an intention behind the action. Example.
Nous allons donner à Dion son cadeau lundi.
It means we're going to give Dion his present on Monday.
Elle va aller au supermarché.
She's going to go to the supermarket. As we know about the near future, now let's see when should we use it in French. We use the
Futur proche.
in the following cases. First, to talk about an action that will take place shortly. For example,
Olivia va ranger ses jouets maintenant.
Olivia is going to put away her toys now.
we also use the near future to talk about a planned action in the near future. For example,
Je vais aller chez mon ami Alain.
I'm going to go to my friend Alain's. Now that we know what the near future means in French and know when to use it, let's all see together how to use it. To conjugate the near future in French, it is simple. We use the present tense of the verb to go, called,
Aller.
in French as an auxiliary verb, followed by the infinitive of the main verb. If you know how to conjugate the verb
Aller.
in the present tense or
Présent.
in French, you have the tools needed to conjugate. First, let's review how to conjugate in the present tense in French.
Le verbe aller au présent. Je vais, tu vas, il va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont.
I go, you go, he she it goes, we go, you go, they go. As we talked about, we will simply apply the structure to be able to form the near future.
Le futur proche du verbe danser. Je vais danser, tu vas danser, il va danser, elle va danser. Nous allons danser, vous allez danser, ils vont danser, elles vont danser.
Near future tense of the verb to dance. I'm going to dance, you are going to dance, he is going to dance, she is going to dance, we're going to dance, you are going to dance, they are going to dance. Example.
Je vais danser avec mes amis.
I'm going to dance with my friends. Note that, just as important as saying something is going to happen is saying something is not going to happen. All French verbs are negated by putting the
Ne pas.
particles around the verb. To negate in the near future in French, the
Ne pas.
goes around the conjugated form of aller, and then the infinitive verb follows. Examples.
Elle va être surprise.
She is going to be surprised. Then the negative form.
Elle ne va pas être surprise.
She is not going to be surprised. I hope that this episode was really useful and that now you understand how the near future works in French. If you have any concerns, please leave them to me in comments and I will come back to this for further clarification. Thank you for watching, take care of yourself and see you soon for a new episode.
À bientôt.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.